Hi YouTube, this is Ashley coming at you with another video, and today's video is going to be about my second curl kit. Well, it's going to be a second curl kit unboxing video. So let's just get right into it. Okay, and again, it came in cute little packaging. The box, excuse the lighting if it's too light. I'm trying to play with lighting situations, but I got cute little packaging, great box. When you first open it up, everything is in it like this, and they have the Curl Life magazine, and like I said last time, they have like the editor's note and what you got in the curl kit, coupons. Alright, okay, the first thing I got is Eco Styler for curly and wavy hair. It's in the pink jar. I've never tried this kind. I've tried the olive oil and the argan oil and the regular clear, but I haven't tried the kind in the pink jar. It smells good. I never really noticed if the other ones had smells, but this one smells pretty good. The next thing I got is Wonder Curl Butter Than Love pudding. Cool. I've heard about these products, but I've never tried it. So I'm gonna open it up. Doesn't really have a smell to it. Can't smell it, but it's like it looks like it's just like a whipped pudding, and I'm interested to try this and see what it does, because my hair tends to react really well to like puddings. The next thing is Belle Nouveau Cocoa Castor Pudding Light Hold Curl Defining and Moisturizing Hair Cream. Cool. Now this smells good. This smells really good. It reminds me of what Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In smells like. Yeah, Belle Nouveau. Well, you can't really see the label because of the lighting. Let's work. The next thing I got was Alikay Naturals. What is it? I'm gonna open it up. What? Indian Sage Deep Conditioner by Alikay Naturals. Smells good. The next thing I got is Raspberry Green Tea Fresh Handmade Soap. In this little packaging. Oh, it smells really good. Then I got Three Sisters of Nature Once a Week Nourishing Treatment, and it says you can compare it to Miss Jessie's original Rapid Recovery treatment. That's good, because Rapid Recovery works really good in my hair, in my opinion. That's really like the only Miss Jessie's product that I would be willing to purchase, even though it's like $50 or something like that. But that's that. And then we have Aubrey Balancing Conditioner, and it says it nourishes and strengthens for full, shiny, healthy hair. And this is a full size product that we got. I like to smell everything, but this has a thing, so just leave it alone till I'm ready to use it. But this was the Curl Kit's anniversary kit, and I think we got some good stuff in it. So Like I said in the last video, if you're interested in subscribing to Curl Kit, I'll leave a link so that you can get 10% off on your first purchase. And that's all I have for today. Thank you.